Hi, how you doing? Are you okay? I hope so. Now let me show you how you can work on multiple AttaPoll accounts for free, okay? And don't worry, all the links are in the description of this video for easy access of all the sites we are going to use today, okay? Now when you click on the first link in the description, it will take you to this site, okay? Now this site is just like any other anti-detect phone solution that offers cloud phones for managing multiple accounts in mobile apps, okay? And the reason why I chose this site today is because they do have a free plan that allows you to have 2 profiles with a 30 minutes work time for free, okay? So this is the plan we are going to use today, okay? And signing up is so easy. You just click on sign up, and you can sign up using your email and password, but I usually prefer signing up using Google, okay? So you can do the same, and they require you to download their software on your PC and run it, okay? And when you log in, this is the dashboard you'll see. Where is it? This one. This is the dashboard you'll see. As you can see, I'd already created one cloud phone, this one. So let me show you how you can create your own cloud phone, okay? Creating a profile is so easy. You just come here and click on new profile, okay? And for now they are only offering Android cloud phones. The iOS devices is still under construction, so maybe in a few months time we can be able to work on iOS devices also, okay? So let's name this one AttaPoll 2. And we need to come down here and we need to add a proxy. So we are going to use free proxy from WebShare, and let's just use this one. Is it from USA? Let's check. 1 2 3, yes, United States. So let's use that one. So 1 2 3, let's use this one. We copy it, then we paste the host, port, and the username, password. Okay. And you can choose the Android version you want to use. They offer Android 12, 13, 11, 15 and 10. So let's just choose Android 12 for demonstration purposes, and let's check if this proxy is working. So click on check, and yes, the proxy is okay. Now just click on create, okay? Let's see our cloud phone. And by the way, they do offer also web browsers apart from cloud phones. So if you want to work on web browsers, you can also work on that. So here is our cloud phone, the second one, this one. So when you want to work on it, you just click on action here, and let's open it up and see. Yes, that's our phone. And you see they are saying that after you finish the 30 minutes, they can charge you, like you can be charged like $1 every day for you to use this phone. So I believe their pricing is so affordable. So let's wait for it to load 100%. and I'll show you how the phone look like. It's taking time. Voila, and as you can see, this is our cloud phone. Okay, this is the phone we have, and here is the Play Store, so you can download any app you wish. So let me show you how to work on multiple accounts. So that's the first one. Let's also click on the second one and open it up. Okay, so as the second one is opening up with the first one, let's open Play Store, and you can sign up using your email, your USA email, and download the app that you want to use, like AttaPoll, and you log in and you start working. Okay, so you can have this here as you wait for the next one, you see. And in case we had another profile here, we can still open it and we have it side by side and work on it. You see how easy it is to work on multiple accounts. So by having this, you can increase your earning even by 4 times. Okay, because if you're working on this AttaPoll account and you're working on another one here and another one here at the same time, you see how easy it is to generate even to generate even 100 USD every day. It's possible. Okay, so you see this number one, this is the second one. So even this one you can click on App Store and you download the app and start working. Okay, so I believe you've learned something today. In case you did, like the video and share it with a friend, and join our Telegram group for us to discuss even more about this. Okay, I hope I'll see you in the next video, and be blessed. Okay, bye.